Welcome back to Channel Ron. Today I'm going to be working on a welding helmet. I've had this about 4 to 5 years. I picked it up from Harbor Freight and the auto darkening had died on me and I really need to get the project done. So rather than going online trying to find one and waiting for it to come in, I went right back to Harbor Freight and I bought another one. 49 bucks I think it was on sale, and I'm kind of glad I did because it's a little bit better quality. They've changed a lot. This is the old one, this is the newest one here. Get a little bit more protection and so forth, and I really like it. Once I got the project done, I went in and quickly started researching if I could find the auto darkening shield, and I did. I think it was like $12 to $15. I'll put a link down below. Measured it all out and it's the exact fit. What's nice about this is this one here that came with the original helmet, you can see that the solar panel is a bit smaller. The newer one's quite a bit larger. So we're going to go ahead and kind of pop that in. It's not going to be a whole lot to this. So let's go ahead and get started. So there's a little knob on the side here. You're just going to need to pull that off. And should just kind of pull out of there. There we go. So you got the knob and you got a little nut there that we have to take off. So go ahead and remove that. And it should come right out of there. Not much to these. And you don't want to lose that. That's relatively important because that's what holds in the switch. All right, and we're going to go ahead and remove the little backing plate here, and the switch should just pop right out of there. And it does, just like that. All right, and then all there is in here, there's just a little clip that we just have to pull down, lift that up, and that lens, auto darkening lens, should pop right out of there. And there it is right there. So like with everything, you want to match this stuff up, okay? And I took precise measurements before I bought this to make sure that I got it. And the description was really, really helpful. All right, so here's the bad one right here. The controls are pretty much the same as the old one here. All right, now we're going to go ahead and we're going to put the new one in, just like we took the old one out. So the solar panels go on the top. So we're just going to kind of slide that in there, like that. And then that little lever, like I showed you before, that little lever there, kind of just folds right down and holds it in, just like that. Really nice design, how they do that. Go ahead and put your switch in. And the switch actually has a little key on it, so it will only go in one direction. Just like that. There's a little tab right there, so it will only go in one way. Plus that keeps it from spinning. Go ahead and put this little backing plate on. And that too has like a little key hole on it, so it will stay on like that. Go ahead and put the nut back on. Just snug it up like that. And then when you put the dial back on, just make sure that you line the dial up so it says off. So off is right here. So I'm kind of push that back on like that. There we go. Just like that. Nothing to it at all. Now the protective lens on the inside here, you got to take that out and peel the film off it. So once you've done that, you're pretty much all set to go. So there it is. For 12 bucks or so, 12 or $15, I can't remember exactly what it was. I'll put a link down below. I'm back up and running. So I have two helmets. So if my son wants to kind of participate in watching weld or help me or whatnot, now we can use this helmet for him. Not a whole lot to it. I just thought it'd be kind of important to show you that you can keep these old helmets going from Harbor Freight for little or no money. So thanks a lot for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Oh yeah.